HVAC people!
All right, no cooling call, and it's a scorcher out here today. Let's go see what we can find.
We were on 75 over the weekend, and then we came home and it was at 76, and then it never moved.
Okay.
Even though we had set it to 73 just to see if it would.
Okay. Does it feel like you're blowing warm air, cool air, any air at all?
It sounds like there's air blowing, but it didn't feel like anything was happening.
Okay. Okay. All right.
There's the thermostat right here, but then the attic's upstairs.
Okay. This is the thermostat? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well I do hear it blowing.
And
yeah, you're gonna have to change the filters.
Okay.
Yeah. Have y'all changed? How long you been in the house?
We've been in the house just over a year.
Okay.
And I think we've changed the filters once so far.
Okay. All right. For now, I'm gonna take it down.
Okay.
And can you go when you get a chance? Get a 20 by 30 by 1.
20 by 30 by 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
Oh, that size. Okay.
Yeah. Probably one for the upstairs too. Yeah.
Okay.
Indeed. All right, so I'm so happy to hear at least the blower running, because I do not feel like doing anything in the attic. All right, so that's the upstairs over there. This is the downstairs. Like a 4-ton box. All right. They changed the coil out here before. I'll hook my gauges up to it. It's removing heat. I'll get some. Alright, so we're a little low on refrigerant. It might be R22. Either way, it's still low. Let's see what kind of refrigerant we got here. This is, yeah, R22. Alright. So we're a little low. You see that saturation 30? Superheat like 1 degree. Yeah, 1 degree subcooling. 40-some degree superheat. So I'm gonna get them charged up a little bit and then probably speak with them about upgrading this unit. It might be on its last legs. Alright, so I would charge the unit up. I got 77 now, over 215, about 6 degrees subcooling, 10 degree superheat, and name tag says designed for 10 degree subcooling, but I'm good with about 6 degrees plus or minus, about 3 degrees. So it is cooling. I didn't record everything. It's way too hot out here to be filming. Gotta be safe. You see I got my water. I don't know if you noticed the video that I did last time when I worked all the way up to Sunday. Then the next morning, which was yesterday, I did a complete install on the older house. And man, that attic was so hot, I almost fell out up there. But I did. I had migraines, lines, seeing lines and everything. And but what happened was I got up that morning and I drank coffee, but I didn't eat any food. And we got started about 8 that morning, and about 2 o'clock, man, I was done. I'm talking about I did not have the energy to do anything. So gotta be very, very safe. I caught myself drinking water, but got about 12 degrees superheat now. Caught myself drinking water, but I guess I didn't drink enough, because like I said, I didn't eat any food. Even the homeowner seen me. She was like, she tried to serve me some mangoes. I ate about one of them, a slice anyway. But I just wanted to get home. And then on the ride home, the longest ride ever, because I was working in like downtown Houston. And to get back out to the suburb, you got to go through all that traffic. Then they had like a 30-minute slowdown where we was in bumper to bumper traffic. And I swear I wanted to just pull over and just go to sleep for a little while. But no, you definitely got to be careful. My wife tried to get me to stay in today, but this car right here was kind of close by. And I had rescheduled a couple calls, you know, this morning, but I want to try to go ahead and knock this one out. And that's actually the install that I did yesterday. That's the old unit right there. Old unit. And old core. But yeah, we gotta be very, very careful. I learned my lesson though. Ain't no way I'm gonna get up in that to be honest with you, I want to start subbing out all my complete installs. I did tell the homeowner, if anything, I can, but that's why I do want me a good install crew though. If I get me a good install crew, I'll be all right. But if I had to do it by myself, hey, I'll do your furnace in the fall. We can change that coil out now and the condenser, that's it. And I called myself starting early in the morning at like 8 in the morning, but it was like 90-something degrees at 8 in the morning. So if anything, we gotta start at 6. As long as I can get out that attic by 9, I wouldn't have no problem either. But anyway, let me go talk to this homeowner. Y'all just remember, hey, keep your water, safety first. Just be careful out here. All right.